Hi guys, welcome to this week's episode of MissPlanIt. I'm so glad you could join us. This week, our request comes from a community member by the name of Kenise. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. Kenise has had some definite challenges getting to her wedding day, and so this is an extra special episode because we want to make this as easy as possible for her. So Kenise, I hope that we can meet your satisfaction and add to your very special day with this week's episode, Tall, Glam, Tropical Centerpiece. All right, let's get started. Once we attach the 5-inch foam ball to the rim of our 24-inch trumpet vase, we are ready to start our arrangement. So now you're going to attach anywhere from 8 to 10 green tail fern stems. I'm going to do this at 3 different levels. So you're going to have a lower level where there's about 2, and then you're going to have the middle level. You're going to attach anywhere from 3 to 4, and then the very top level can be anywhere from 3 to 5. Be sure to curve the stems for a more natural appearance. Next, attach anywhere between 4 to 6 green split phyllo bush stems. Again, curve them for that natural appearance. To create the fullness of the centerpiece, I'm attaching some geranium stem leaves that I had left over from another arrangement. Before you go out and buy greenery, look and see what greenery you have left over from other projects, because guess what? It can work just as well, and it's free. Now, for those of you who don't have extra greenery, don't worry. I have left the link in the description below in the project supply list with this very same greenery stem. So now it's time to glam it up. We're going to do that by adding 6 to 8 white ostrich feathers. These measure anywhere between 10 and 12 inches long. Again, hopefully you'll have the same type that I have, where the stem has a little wire in it so you can curve the stem for a more natural fall. So now we're going to soften up the look by adding anywhere between 6 and 8 white chrysanthemums, and follow that with an additional 6 to 8 pink roses, as well as an additional 6 to 8 cream roses. Finally, for that pop of color, we're going to add anywhere between 6 and 8 bunches of lime green block mini balls. Let's take that glam effect up another notch by attaching this fluffy boa. We're going to use hot glue, put a dab on the very tip of it, attach it to the very back of our centerpiece, go ahead and wrap it around, and then secure it at the bottom with another dab of glue. Very simple, but makes a wonderful statement. Well, Kenise, what do you think? Did we hit the nail right on the head? I think so too. Love, love, love how this came out. So, if you like this video, go ahead and like us. Follow us on Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, and Twitter. Subscribe so you can be the first to know when our videos are posted every Wednesday. Don't forget, all of the links to the supplies as well as the project cost are in the description right below this video. Just click on that upside down triangle and you will have all the information at your fingertips. Not only will you have the list of supplies as well as the links to purchase them, you will also have links to our Ebates rebate as well as links to our newsletter and to the project request and our website. Head on over to our website, MissPlanIt.com. You can click on the project request tab and submit your request. Also, check out all of our awesome coupon opportunities, all of our free giveaways, as well as wonderful blog posts helping you to plan your next exciting memory-making event. We are so glad you can join us. We appreciate you taking time. Drop us a comment. Tell us what you think. We would love to hear from you. Tell us what you would like us to do some blog posts on, things you want to find out about that we can help you with. Remember, that's what we're here for. So always remember, when every penny counts, count on MissPlanIt. Take care. See you soon. God bless.